Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to see all events on calendar on your iPhone. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and put your likes. Let's get started. So first we need to go to calendar, and after that you just need to click on this little button. Click here, and as you can see now we doesn't have any events. Here we can see no events, and that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and write good comments. Bye bye everyone, see you later.